Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you how to easily edit flow properties on a flow. In the last video I showed the Flow Items editor, which allows you to add pretty much anything you like to a flow or an item flow. This Flow Properties helper, as the name implies, is dedicated to adding flow properties to a flow. But this one is far more strict and prevents you from adding flow properties that are in the wrong direction. For example, here on this internal block diagram we have two flows. Now these are both on connectors, but it works for regular flows too, provided they are between ports. Now that's important because this helper checks the contracts of those ports for flow properties that match the direction of the flow. I can launch the helper from either a connector that has a flow or from a flow itself. Let's first launch it from this connector on the right. So Power Pack, Edit Flow Properties. Now as it happens, someone had already manually added two flow properties to this flow using the regular Rhapsody features view, which doesn't check the direction. Now one of those, Prop 5, is in a different direction than the flow itself. The helper detects this and it offers to remove the contradictory flow property. I'll click yes and Prop 5 is removed from that flow. Now the flow editing dialog is presented and it only shows flow properties from the port contracts that are in the correct direction. That is, they match the direction of the flow. Any that are already on the flow have their checkboxes selected, and using those checkboxes I can easily add and remove flow properties. Just like in the Flow Items editor I showed last time, I can easily reorder the flow properties by dragging them up or down. Now the helper even works for nested ports like these on the left. And just as with other table-based helpers in the Power Pack, double-clicking an item in the table navigates to it in the Rhapsody model browser. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of this series we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.